In this video, we're going to give you a look around another interesting feat out here in Niland, California, SLAB City.
It's our blessed adventure. It's our blessed adventure.
City. From what we know, it was, we think it was, from the information I think it was a loud motorcycle passing. It was I think an old army base, and it was left, and now people have taken it over and made this place their home. So stand by, because it's a sight to see. There's everything from sheds or shacks made out of pallets to RVs that people park in and live in out here. So we're gonna ride through and show you the sights. I'm gonna stop. Bring it, Steve.
That's his address, 617. Where?
Right here.
Oh, looky here. You can come out here and play hoop, too.
A lot of trash on the hoop court, though.
Hoop and come and pick up what you need.
Here's a sign for the library and skate park.
The library and the skate park. Wow. They got plants growing too. Look at their water. Home of the something burger.
Wrangler Burger.
The home of the Wrangler Burger. You can come get you a burger there.
Wrangler Burger and floats.
Oh, they play live music there. Okay. So this is the church. Come to services. Church of Enlightenment. So what you say it's better?
Free coffee.
While we're out here? No? Oh, more.
Free coffee. Internet cafe.
Internet cafe, free coffee, Wi-Fi, oasis. I'm not sure what that is. They're making pavers.
So the UPS truck.
The UPS truck
flying
even
by.
comes out here. He just flew by.
Look at that. That's so bad. They're
And
huge over
what
there.
is just so interesting is they all have an address on them.
They didn't used to have addresses.
So maybe they started.
Look at this huge solar panel right there.
Look at this big solar panel. Okay, let me show you right here. Look at that. They have all their water.
Oh, these solar panels, they're not working. They just gotta hang it up there every day.
So this is a shoe trees, and they've gone down to the ground. So I guess if you need a pair of shoes or boots or Sunday shoes, high heels, cleats, you come out here, slippers, and find you a pair or two. It's just interesting that you hardly see any people for as many RVs and things that are out here. Look at that little car. Look at on top. Wow.
Somebody fenced in
Is
their
that
little
a-
area back there. Zoom in on that.
Oh, this person fenced in their area. Fancy. Yes, they did. Mayor, maybe that's the mayor of SLAB City. I know. They just probably pick it up. Look at that. Wow.
That was a very interesting spot there at SLAB City. It's also known as the last free place. It's like we said before, it's a torn down old World War II Marine training base or training camp. Now that's people wanting to live there, like kind of maybe with their own rules. They say that there's a lot of snowbirds to come there as well. So it was an interesting place, something we've always wanted to see, and we hope you enjoyed seeing it also. So remember, if you haven't subscribed yet, please push that subscribe button. It's totally free, and it helps us to grow our channel. And push the notification bell so you can be notified when we post our next video. We hope you enjoyed going along with us. We always enjoy taking you with us. So thank you for joining us at Noel's Blessed Adventures, and have a blessed day.